All right, Tech Enthusiasts, the Techthusiasm network overhaul continues, and I wanted to show this off, the rack mount blank patch panel kit. This is all Ubiquiti, UniFi stuff. I've got an enterprise switch, I got a Dream Machine Pro Max, I got the cable modem, I've got Wi-Fi 7 Pro Max access points, and a couple of other little accessory pieces like this in the brush kit that we already installed. I've been really impressed as we've been opening up each of these boxes and taking a look at what's inside, how it's packaged, the build quality and stuff like that. So I figured, hey, why not kind of show this off? I think doing stuff like this, having patch panel pieces and blanks with your networking equipment to really kind of stack it all up, be able to access it from the front, wire and manage all of your wires and your network systems and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So in this video, we're just going to take a look, unbox the rack mount blank patch panel kit, take a look at it, and get it installed in the rack. I actually have two of these. So I already cut it open, but I'm going to go ahead and pull the bits and pieces out. So, I mean, they pack this stuff very nicely. I've been impressed with the unboxing experience of every piece of Ubiquiti stuff that we've opened so far. So we have the kit itself here in a plastic bag. Open this up and take it out. I like the silver motif of the Ubiquiti gear. I think it'll stand out. I think it'll stand out quite nicely in the rack. I like the feel, the fit and finish of everything. So of course we have all of our jacks available to have some Keystone panels in there. And we do have actually some slots along the back side here for some cable management and routing and support. So that's this piece, actually this little cable bracket that comes in here. Cable routing, cable support bracket. We'll take this off, and then once we get the rack ears on and everything's ready to go, before we put it actually into the rack kit, these just attach together very simply like that and give us this little bar here, a pass through, and a weight kind of support basically for the cables that'll be kind of plugging through the back on this thing. Quite nice. Just snaps off very easily like that. In addition, in the box we do have our little L-shaped rack ears and then a bag of screw pieces. Not only is all the rack ears included in every piece of Ubiquiti stuff that I've opened so far, I have to commend that as well. I absolutely hate when companies charge us separately for this sort of side rack ears, especially the little pieces like that. But we actually get rack screws in here to mount the thing in the rack. And if your rack doesn't have threaded holes, it does actually have the backers as well. So everything you need in the box, easy, awesome, simple flexibility. So we're going to get the rack ears on here. We'll get the Keystone jacks clipped in, take another look at it when all that stuff is set. So there we are with two actually of the Ubiquiti patch panels installed here in the rack. I mentioned having that brush pass through up top there, another accessory that we bought for the installation, and then two patch panels that are going to be feeding into this 48 Enterprise PoE. A lot more stuff to come in this whole kind of series, wave one of the Techthusiasm Ubiquiti, super awesome, cohesive, high-speed network smart home overhaul. Say that 10 times fast. Really impressed with the Ubiquiti stuff. I think it's well worth buying in-brand accessories and components when you're doing something like this. I'm an OCD kind of person. I like when things are uniform. I like everything looking the same. Color schemes, screws, presentation, and just knowing that everything is made to the same level of kind of build quality, fit and finish, aesthetics, and all of that. Pretty cool stuff. I've been impressed by everything that I've handled, opened, unboxed, and that my son and I here have been installing so far. If you have any questions about the Ubiquiti stuff, sound off in the comments. Let me know. Do you use any of their equipment? What do you have? What do you like about it? Sound off. Let's discuss all of that. If you'd like to support the channel, reach out to Jeremy at techthusiasm.net. I do home theater, audio, video, and technology consultancies. I can sell awesome stuff like Kaleidoscape, JVC projectors, and a whole host of other audio and video gear. Much appreciated. If you reach out, come through me. I'm ready to help you out. If I can't help you, I've got awesome partners to refer you to. There's affiliates like Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Newegg, and more down in the description. Please use those for your everyday shopping. Become a channel member, leave a super thanks, PayPal, Venmo tip. Any and all of it is much appreciated. It's by virtue of that stuff that I'm able to do this stuff for you. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, share the video, leave those comments, let's discuss, and come on back for more home theater and home networking discussion and fun. Thanks.